Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome everyone, and welcome Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice oral expression.
Hi, Emma.
Great. Today we will practice what you learned before. Bathroom objects and prepositions of place. We will do it with 3 exercises.
Good. I like practicing with short activities.
First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat short phrases with good rhythm. Next, read aloud helps you read a short text clearly and with confidence. Finally, describe the picture helps you talk about an image using simple sentences.
That sounds clear. I can try one step at a time.
Exactly. Let's start with shadowing and warm up our speaking. Shadowing. For shadowing, listen first and repeat after Nexo. Keep your voice relaxed and copy the rhythm.
Okay. I will listen and repeat.
The toothbrush is in the cup. The toothpaste is on the shelf. The towel is under the sink. The soap is next to the sink. Where is the mirror? The mirror is in front of me. The shampoo is in the shower. The hairbrush is on the sink. Where are the towels? The towels are behind the door. The toilet paper is next to the toilet. The bathtub is behind the curtain. The sink is between the toilet and the shower. The soap is in a small dish. My towel is on the wall. The bathroom is clean and bright. Read aloud. Nice work with shadowing. Now we move to read aloud. Nexo will read the text first, and then you should pause the video to read it slowly.
I am ready to read aloud.
Great. Nexo, let's begin.
Every morning, I go into the bathroom. My toothbrush is in a cup next to the sink, and the toothpaste is on the shelf. I wash my face with soap and look in the mirror. The towel is behind the door. and the shampoo is in the shower. The bathroom is small, but it is clean and bright.
Well done, Nexo. You did it very well.
Thank you. The text was clear.
Now it is your turn. Please pause the video and read the text aloud. Describe the picture. Great job, everyone. Now we will describe the picture. Look at the image and describe what you see. Try to use the words shown and the grammar we studied.
I will try to use short sentences.
Perfect. Nexo will try first, and after that, it is your turn.
In the picture, I see a clean bathroom. The sink is in the middle, and a mirror is above it. A toothbrush and toothpaste are in a cup next to the sink. Soap is on the sink. There is a shower behind a glass door, and a bathtub is next to it. A towel is under the sink, near the toilet and the toilet paper.
Nice description, Nexo. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the image in your own way.
Use simple words. That helps a lot.
Yes. Do not make it complicated. Use short and simple sentences.
Can you give examples?
Of course. Mirror. The mirror is next to the sink. Towel. The towel is under the sink. Now, pause the video and speak. Little by little, you will do it better.